True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in the Middle Quarter area, Middle Quarters in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Anyone who watch from the yard and abroad, me can big up on yourself. Let's see what's in the Middle Quarter area look like. Yeah man, a lot of people are trying to set back themselves from Hurricane Melissa. Yeah man, see what I go on, beautiful parish, St. Elizabeth. Yeah. Light post down. Yeah man, big up all of the hustler them same way. So anyone in this area watching from in the Middle Quarters area, leave in the comment section. Big up yourself. Anywhere you watch from, can see it. Place clear up, a lot of down trees. Rooftop is off. So you know you have one of the longest corner in Middle Quarters. Oh, watch out them places, man. We used to come buy shrimp. All of them places are flat out. So I go on with paper. Can't get the pepper shrimp no more. Yeah man, so we go around the longest corner now in Jamaica, in Middle Quarters, you know. So one of the longest corner we're going around. So we're very close to the turnoff, which would take us to the YS Falls area. This left turn right here, where you see that lady in the white top, you make the left turn. We'll take you all to the Wyeth Falls area. Lord of mercy, me people. I can see if me get some gas, but I don't know if a gas station are up or running. Check, you know. Check and see what I go on. $5,090. Yeah, good evening. Yeah, man, so you can big up on yourself. You know, now watch from, I know, say. Yeah. Stop and get some petrol. You know, say anyway we are going to have to throw some gas in the vehicle, make sure everything up and running. We're heading towards the Holland Bamboo area. Yeah, man, just get some petrol a while ago and go. Yeah, man. Still I do a journey same way, no matter the crisis where Jamaica go through. Still I do a journey and show the people them what go on in our beautiful island Jamaica. Yeah, man, place hot. I tell her say hotty. I know so we used to come right here so and get our jerk pork. Yeah man, I see where people still ordering their jerk pork, but you can see the building next to there, the jerk center, which is Ruby Jerk Center. Yeah man. There's some people still on the go. We're heading towards the Holland Bamboo area. This would be a next video, so you can look out for it. Just across the bridge, you go to the bamboo. So you can look into our next video like part 2 or part 3. So guys, thank you all for watching. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.